Welcome guys to the channel. Today I'm doing Who You Say I Am. This is for Spring Hill Youth. So I'm basically doing a simple strum along so you guys can play along with me with piano, with keyboard, with bass, with drums. I'm not using a click, but this is Who You Say I Am. You can get the chord charts. Capo 2, so it's the key of A. I'm going to use chords in G, and I'll show you the strumming patterns and stuff that I do at the very end. First of all, our bridge, we always go like this. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. So that part goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dun, dun, dun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it starts like this. Who am I that the highest king would welcome me? I was lost, but he brought me, oh, his love for me. Oh, his love for me. Whom the sun sets free, oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God, yes I am. There's a riff, and then free at last. Free at last, he has ransomed me, oh, his grace runs deep. While I was a slave to sin, Jesus died for me. Yes, he died for me. Child of God, yes I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God, yes I am. Here's the bridge. I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. I am who you say I am. Yeah, I am who you say I am. I'm gonna drop to the bridge. Whom the sun sets free, oh, is free. A child of God, yes I am. I'll probably build that back here. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God, yes I am. We tag. I'm a child of God, yes I am. All right, so basically some of that order is probably, we might do the bridge twice. So we might go to the bridge, I'm chosen, not forsaken, do that. You just watch verbal cues on that, or depending on the arrangement from the band, but that's the idea. The guitar player, acoustic in the beginning, you're just going all downs. Who am I that the highest king would welcome? I was lost, but he... So you're just kind of palm muting on the top there, and you go on, when you switch chords, you do a flip. One, down. Then you kind of open up. Yes, he died for me. When the sun sets free. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. So 1, ticka, 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 ticka. Yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So accents kind of on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4. And on the died for me, it's 1, ticka, 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 1, ticka, ticka, 1, ticka, ticka, 1. So that's a little bit of a strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. That's what I like to do there. And strumming accents on 1 and 4. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Of course, you can strum along with that and just get the charts from my songbooks, or just get them from me if you're in my youth band. But if you're not, you can always get these charts I'm using in the Worship the King Play and Sing Simple Songbooks at worshiptheking.com. See you guys on the next video.